Let's be real. If you're breathing down your team's neck about font sizes, lunch breaks, and how they hold the stapler, you just might be a micromanager. And if you just thought, well, it's because I care, this one's especially for you. Welcome to another 3-minute brief. Micromanagement is when leaders excessively control or monitor how work is done, rather than focusing on results. It's often driven by fear, a lack of trust, or a belief that no one can do it quite like they can. Spoiler alert, they can, and they should. Here's what happens when you micromanage. Productivity goes down, because people spend more time explaining than executing. Creativity tanks, because why try new things when your boss already decided how to breathe? Engagement plummets, because no one likes feeling like a robot in khakis. Worst of all, you start attracting only the type of employees who want to be told what to do. Initiative dies, trust dies. Your best people, they leave. So where does micromanagement come from? Well, it often comes from good intentions gone rogue, wanting high quality of work, feeling pressure from above, having been burnt before. But none of those justify building a work culture that feels like a corporate version of a reality show confessional. Let's shift gears to leadership that empowers, not controls. Here's how. Focus on outcomes, not methods. Give clear expectations, and then step back. Trust, but verify, without hovering. Coach, don't commandeer. Remember, giving your team autonomy doesn't mean you're losing control, it means you're growing leaders. So if you're constantly saying, let me just do it myself, you might be the bottleneck. Loosen the grip, trust the process, empower your people. That's your 3-minute brief. Subscribe for weekly shots of truth, and seriously, stop checking their inbox.